Hey guys, it's Jen at Wakeland with Remarkably Created, and I wanted to give you a really quick tip for those of you that are adding the Glass Mat Studio to your crafting needs. This is a free gift choice with a starter kit purchase during celebration, so through February 29th. And one of the things that I did to mine is I don't have it under it all the time. It depends on what I'm doing. But I added this magnetic board. It is sized to fit between the feet that are under here. And I love that my board is not always magnetized, okay? Because there are times when you just don't want things stuck to it, right? And so I love that I have this optional piece here. The holes are because this particular board that I found on Amazon is designed to be hung on the wall. But again, mine's here and it does stretch the whole length of the board. And the way that I'm using it to be magnetized is to hold cardstock in place when I'm stamping direct to it, when I'm using blending brushes and things like that. But another way that I'm using it is now I always know where my snips are because they're right there and they're kind of stuck on. If I'm got a project that I'm working on with multiple dies and I don't want to, open and close die packs or things like that, I can pull the few dies that I'm working with and I can, have them hooked on just like this. And the magnets are nice and strong. These are actually borrowed from Stamparatus, but there's lots of different magnets that you could have out there. But again, this is optional. I love that, again, my whole board is not magnetized all the time. If I don't want it magnetized, I can simply pull this out from under it and I can put it off to the corner and then I don't have anything that is magnetized, if that makes sense. So it's been working really well for me to keep track of things as I work. I've been using my die cutting machine on top of this. I've been using this for everything. And in addition to magnetizing your mat, the other tip that I have is just use the mat. The more that you use it, the more that you'll find ways to use it. So don't be afraid of hurting it. Don't be afraid of doing anything else to it. But again, this is Stampin' Up's glass mat. It is not magnetized, which makes me happy because I can choose to make it magnetized when I need it to be magnetized, if that makes sense. So have some fun with your glass mat. And if you want to pick one up today, just make sure you reach out to me.